Hi guys, welcome to Simple Math. Today I will explain an exercise about the topic interior angles of any polygon, right? As you know, the interior angle of a triangle, the sum of the interior angles is equal to 180, and the sum of the interior angles of a quadrilateral is 360. But what happens if the polygon has more than four sides? Which is this case, right? In that case, we are going to use a formula to discover the measurement of one specific angle or the sum of all of them, right? And that is what I'm going to explain in this video. So let's start with this. This exercise consists in to calculate or discover or find the value of the letter X or the angle X. To do or to solve this kind of exercise by using the interior angles formula, we have to use, again, the following formula that says that the sum of all the angles, yes, is equal to 180 times n minus 2, where n is the number of sides of the polygon. In this case, it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sides. So n is, in this case, is 5. Okay? So, but before using that formula, we need to see what's happening or what can we complete according that the information that was provided for us, right? According to the information, we can see that, for example, we can complete things. For example, this 80 degrees. This is useful. Why? Because 80 degrees and this angle both are supplementary. So that means both add up to 180 degrees. So if this is 80, that means that this angle is 100 degrees. Why? Because 100 plus 80 is 180 degrees. Okay? Now we can do the same thing with this angle. This angle and this angle both are supplementary angles. So this means this angle is what we're missing to get 180 according to 42. How much is missing to 42 to get 180? Well, is 138 degrees. Okay, now we can use the formula because we have like all the angles inside the polygon. Okay, so let's begin with the formula. So the formula says that this plus this angle plus this angle plus this angle plus this angle is equal to 180 degrees times n minus 2. Okay, so let's put that or all those values in the formula. Let's begin. So 110, yes, 110 plus 100 plus 2x plus 138 plus all these are degrees, okay? Okay, plus x degrees equal to 180 degrees times n. N is the number of sides of the polygon. In this case, is 5 minus 2. So again, 110 plus 100 plus 2x plus 138 plus x is equal to 180 times 3. 5 minus 2 is 3. Okay? That's the way we solve this problem. So, according to PEMDAS, we have to solve that equation. But before solving the equation, I'm going to use PEMDAS. So, in other words, for example, to the left side of the equation, I'm going to add like terms. I'm going to add combine like terms. All these are like terms, and all these are like terms. And then I'm going to solve these parts. I can do everything at the same time. So I will add 110 plus 100 plus 138. 110 plus 100 is 210. 210 plus 138 is equal to 348. So 348 plus, how much is are the happy faces? 2x plus x is 3x is equal to 180 times 3 is equal to 540. Yes? Now, we can take the 348 and move it to the other side. Yes? Subtracting. So the new question is 3x is equal to 540 minus 348. Yes? So minus 348. 540 minus 348, I'm going to solve the part. So it means that 3x is equal to 192. Yes, that's the answer of subtracting 540 minus 348. Now, to leave the variable alone, 3x or 3 is multiplying the x, I move it to the other side, dividing. So, the new question is going to be that x is equal to 192 over 3. And then we simplify that. In that case, in this case, I think we're going to get a whole number. So 192 divided by 3 is 64. So that means x is equal 64. So this x is 64 degrees, and this is 128 degrees. And then if, the exercise asks me that what is the measurement of the sum of all the angles, now we can do that. All right? Again, guys, thanks. It's 64 degrees. Thanks for watching my channel. And see you in the next video. We'll continue recording videos about the formula of the sum of the interior angles of any polygon. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye-bye.